Welcome everyone, my name is Sachin and you are watching Cloud Computing tutorial video series. In this video we will see different blockers and hurdles for cloud computing adoption. In our previous video we saw different cloud computing drivers. Cloud computing drivers from consumer perspective are business drivers, system drivers and technology drivers. Cloud computing drivers from cloud service providers perspective are economy of scale and revenue. Here we will list down some of the major hurdles in the wide adoption of cloud. There shouldn't be any hurdles in adoption of such a promising technology. But there are some blockers like lack of knowledge, maturity concerns, security, multi-tenancy, integration, technology and flexibility. People don't have sufficient and necessary knowledge about cloud computing and its various offerings. They fear that there could be some hidden charges, there won't be any control over cloud, integration and migration to it would be complex, or they think that it would be totally insecure. It becomes important in this case to get proper knowledge about cloud computing. Once the knowledge is gained, organization can specify its requirements and see whether it can be fulfilled by moving to cloud. Also evaluate the risk and technology limitations in advance before taking a decision. Proper knowledge will help to address these concerns. Maturity concerns and security. There are concerns over maturity of cloud technology as well as cloud service providers. Consumers are concerned about the level of service quality they will get from cloud providers. This is especially true in case of public cloud providers. Due to some inherent properties of cloud, it may seem that there is no control on cloud-based services and data hosted on cloud. Some may also think that cloud is not secure enough. Multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy is an important property of cloud which allows many different consumers to share systems and resources in cloud. Consumers are unaware of with whom they are sharing resources. This could be risky if that party is a rival organization. On the other hand, hackers can also become part of the cloud and gain access to data by exploiting security loopholes. Customization for particular consumer is challenging because of multi-tenancy. This is costly and impractical as well. Integration. Integration with cloud involves integration of applications as well as data. In case of cloud, it is not possible to get complete access to systems because they are being shared with many consumers. To integrate applications, secure APIs would be provided by cloud providers. Sometimes consumers may want to transfer huge data to cloud in real time. This requires huge bandwidth to be provisioned with cloud, adding to costs. Technology and flexibility. Cloud technology is continuously evolving since the beginning, and it will continue to evolve. Standardization for many technologies related to cloud is still ongoing. Due to this, there could be compatibility or interoperability issues. Consumers may want to switch cloud provider due to many reasons such as cost and service quality. This can be very hard and costly since it involves movement of data and applications both. If it is not executed properly, it may lead to disruption of business processes. We have seen that cloud technology also has some blockers which are slowing down adoption of cloud. Some of the major blockers are lack of proper knowledge, concerns over maturity and security, multi-tenancy, applications and data integration, technology and flexibility. But the good part is, even after so many hurdles in adoption, cloud technology is becoming popular day by day. Remember these new keywords which we saw in this presentation. We have covered various cloud computing technology basics till now, and we will move on to details. We will start with software as a service. We will discuss various SaaS characteristics, SaaS provider responsibilities, drivers, challenges and SaaS providers. Thank you and keep watching.